My heart is ready, and what am I gonna do? My heart is ready, and what am I gonna do? My heart is ready, and what am I gonna do? Oh yeah, my heart is ready, and what am I gonna do?
We've been really excited to see both our kids grow emotionally and socially at Leeds.
Something that like you didn't like, and then they say like, oh, I'm sorry, instead of saying it's okay, you say like, oh, I accept your apology, because it wasn't okay for them to do something that makes them say I'm sorry.
I thought that was a very nice way of reframing it.
It was really fun to see the relationships build between the students as they played, maybe just one-on-one and in groups, and there wasn't any cliques. It's like everybody mingled with everybody. Didn't matter their level.
One of our kids was really having a struggle with reading. The school reached out, provided a lot of support. By the end of the year, that child was going to the library and just plucking a book off the shelf and just sitting down and reading it. And I was just in tears at the progress.
I'm excited to see Adelina learn about how to treat others and how to socialize with her friends, and to problem solve.
They work with the Hitchcock Center. They do salamander sampling, and because of where the school's located, it's right by a conservation
It's like
area.
square boards all on the ground, and they're like labeled A1, B, A1, A2, A3, and they had to flip them up and track what they saw. One person was the photographer, one person was the observer, one person was the identifier. I did that with them twice.
They were scientists at the age of 9.
To meet the challenge of science, you have to make this paper thing which can stay in the air for a certain amount of time, and however you stay in it goes on like the whiteboard, and the highest amount of time wins.
Third grade, we got to learn about rocket science and like aerodynamics, and we got to like build our own little mini rockets, and that was really fun.
You shot them over the school, didn't you?
Yeah.
Mini mall is where you create your own store. You have to sell stuff, and then you have to see how much profit you make. When I was in kindergarten, I took this karate class.
Yeah.
It was really fun.
They get to make podcasts. Third grade, they get to build computers.
Also spends a lot of time in the garden, whether it's harvesting or cleaning up or making a vegetable burrito wrap with something that's come from the community garden.
There's just so many things about the school that are really just amazing.
1, 2, 3.
We love Leeds!
We love Leeds!
We love Leeds!
My heart is ready, and what am I gonna do? Oh yeah, my heart is ready, and what am I gonna do? My feet are ready, and what am I